Resetting the Messages app on your Galaxy A56 is a simple way to fix texting problems like app crashes, lag, or issues with sending and receiving messages. It restores the app to its default settings and often clears up hidden glitches. Here's how to do it. Open the Settings app on your phone. Swipe up to find apps, then tap on it. Scroll through the list and tap Messages. Next, tap Storage, then tap Clear Cache. After that, tap Clear Data and tap Delete to confirm. The Messages app will reset instantly. Alternatively, you can get to the same screen by tapping and holding the Messages app icon until a menu appears. Tap the App Info icon, then tap Storage. From here, you can clear the cache and clear the data just as before. This reset is especially useful if your Messages app keeps freezing, fails to send text, or takes too long to load conversations. It also helps if you just want to start fresh with your messaging settings. If this video helped you fix texting issues on your Galaxy A56, please give it a like or watch another video to learn even more ways to master your device.